What's up, friends? Today I want to show you really quickly how to make roasted garlic. It can enhance so many recipes. So you want a whole head of garlic, and then you want to cut just the tip of the garlic off. This will expose all of the individual cloves inside. Now you want to take a 6x6 piece of foil and pop that garlic right in the center, cut side up. Then take about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, vegetable oil, or canola oil, drizzle it over top, sprinkle on a little kosher salt. Then you're going to wrap this up around the garlic, making it into a little pouch. Now this day I was making sweet potatoes, so I just popped it on the rimmed baking sheet with the sweet potatoes, cooked it for 40 minutes at 350. So I'm going to open up this garlic, and you can see how that head of garlic is super soft in there, so we'll just squeeze all that out and it will go right into the mashed sweet potatoes. Now with the garlic, what I'm actually going to do is press that out onto this baking sheet, because sometimes some of the shell will come with the garlic and I don't want it to go into the sweet potatoes. So you're just going to take it and squeeze it, and the garlic should just start to pop out. Oh God, it smells so good. And that looks really good. There's a couple hanging on there that I'm gonna get out. Okay. So I'm gonna rinse my hands real quick, because those shells, those garlic shells can be really sticky. Okay. So now I'm just going to look at this and make sure that there's no shells. Looks good, and the garlic is mashing beautifully. Beautifully. It smells so good. The nice thing about garlic being roasted in the oven like that is it takes that pungentness out of the garlic and makes it a little bit sweeter. It develops the sugars in the garlic.